living words and classification of the microbe. Okay, here see the living organism on earth, many microorganisms present. Okay, so microorganisms are largest in number. Classification consists of the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Okay, prokaryotic consists of the here bacteria. Next, eukaryotic consists of the protista, fungi and algae. Okay, here the microorganism, how to measure it? We refer to size of the micros. Okay, here consists of the 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 6 micrometers. Okay, see here symbol. Okay, next 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 9. Okay, here symbol indicate is the nanometers. Okay, all of see this symbol. Now we can start the point of bacteria. Okay, here see the figures of the bacteria. The bacteria size consists of the 1 micrometer to 10 micrometer. Bacteria, look here, the structure like is the colonies. These are the unicellular, independent or parasitic organism. Sometimes many bacteria together form the colonies. Okay, here the bacteria cell is the prokaryotic with the cell wall but distinct nucleus or cell organelles are absent. Okay, the reproductive system here consists of the simple binary fusions. In favorable condition, bacteria grow vigorously and can be double. Their number is 20 minutes. Okay, I want all of understand the characteristic. The main characteristic is unicellular, independence and reproducing binary fusions. Okay. Okay, we can see here the next point, protozoa. Okay, we can see here all of diagrams. The diagrams of amoeba, parameciums, okay, euglena. The characteristics of here, first we can found where are the found these animals. Okay, protozoa are found in the soil, fresh waters and sea waters. Okay, other animals, some animals found in the body of other organisms and pathogenics. Okay, the main characteristics here, the animals are unicellular organism with the eukaryotic cell. There is the greatest variations in cell structures, organs of locomotions. Okay, these animals reproduction by the simple cell divisions. Okay, we can see here the fungi. This fungi size consists of the 10 micrometer to 100 micrometers. Okay, all of know fungi. We can naked eyes. For example, breads. When your bread pack into 2 days, after 2 days, see what happened? There the inside the fungi. So the first is characteristic. These are found on the decay organic matters and dead body. These are the eukaryotic organisms. Some are unicellular and others are the visible with naked eyes. Okay, the nutrition mode here consists of the saprotropy. Okay, absorb their food from the decay organisms. They reproduce by the sexually and asexually by cell divisions or by budding. Okay, for example, baker yeast. Okay, all of know here point of the algae. Algae size approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. Okay, algae found in the aquatic regions. So the first characteristics of algae, there are the aquatic and eukaryotic, unicellular and autotrophic organisms. These are the photosynthesis carry out with the help of the chloroplast present in the cell. Okay, example is chlorella. The very few bases of the algae are unicellular. Okay, all of see here the diagrams of algae. Okay, algae are the unicellular, most of them multicellular and visible with naked eyes. Okay, I want all of understand this algae. Okay, the next point is the virus. Okay, viruses. Okay, all of you know now this period starting the spreading of the coronavirus. So I want all of you know virus concept. Okay, I want all of know the coronavirus is spread in all words. I asking one question. You can look at the naked eyes coronavirus? No. Why? Because there are the smaller size. The virus consists of the approximately size 10 nanometer to 100 nanometers. So the virus are the extremely minute. That means the 10 to 100 times smaller than the bacteria and can be seen only with the electron microscope. They are found in the independent particles. The virus is the long molecules of DNA. Okay, DNA means deoxyribonucleic nucleic acid or RNA by the protein coated. Okay. Okay, the next characteristic is virus survives only in living part or animal cells. They create their numerous replica. Then they destroy the host cell and become they are free. They are free virus against infect new cells. The virus causes many diseases to plant and animals. Okay, the virus concept you all of you understand in coronavirus. Okay, here see the diagram of the many virus. Main virus here see the coronavirus.